The electronic assemblies our world relies upon deliver a better life. For those who mean the world to us, it starts with the standards: quality, reliability, consistency, IPC.
Being part of products that go into space and helping to manufacture products that go into space is quite exciting, not only for us as a company, but also for the entire human race.
The electronics we do really are about helping clothe, feed, and shelter the world.
It's a service business. We can be rapid, responsive, aggressive on pricing, just do everything right. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't matter.
Well, given the unique products that we build in their applications, they're all mission and life critical. So in our world, the products that we manufacture have to work the first time and every time without fail.
We have found that IPC membership touches our business in multiple ways. Number one, the standards that IPC has created and has been part of helps to level the playing field. It helps a smaller company like RBP understand what the requirements are for that consistency, quality, and reliability, so there is no question what those requirements are. Essentially, it also helps us meet and interface with large OEMs, some of the largest in the world, who have the impact and the say-so as to what the final product looks like.
So at Zertronics, the IPC training is essential for our employees. We can't put anybody out to the floor until the training's been signed off.
Being part of IPC and its advocacy arm of its aspirational goals is a significant part of our membership, and it allows us access to lawmakers through Capitol Hill Day, Impact, and also to other policymakers on a global basis. That includes Europe, Brussels, and also in Asia. So it's a significant benefit for companies like us. We could not do that on our own.
I'll tell you, IPC is the backbone of the whole industry. They set the standards, they set the specifications, they are kind of the keepers of the technology from what we as an industry need to do and what we really can't do. What we can't do is something that would jeopardize reliability.
If you're going to be in the industry, I don't see how you can operate in the industry without utilizing the standards, without taking advantage of the training and certification for your workforce. I don't see why you would want to make your business that difficult. It's a hard enough industry without, with all the resources. Why you wouldn't take advantage of those is beyond me.
Where are you going to get technical education, advocacy, training, certification, and networking with all one simple membership? You can't do that with any other trade organization with the exception of one, and that's IPC.